Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Experience unmatched control and shot placement with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta, one of the most refined paddles in Selkirk's renowned lineup. Designed for players who value precision above all else, this paddle delivers the perfect balance of finesse, consistency, and power, making it a top choice for improving players and competitive athletes alike. Built with a mid-weight profile, the LUXX Control Air Invikta blends high-end engineering with thoughtful craftsmanship. Its elongated 16.45-inch frame and generously sized 5.35-inch handle provide extended reach on the court and ample room for confident two-handed backhands. The paddle's premium fluorite carbon fiber face pairs with a thick 20mm honeycomb core to ensure maximum stability, crisp responsiveness, and superior control without sacrificing the pop needed for powerful drives. On the court, the LUXX Control Air feels incredibly aerodynamic. Unlike cheaper paddles that create drag, this model slices effortlessly through the air, enhancing your reaction time and making fast exchanges feel natural and fluid. Every swing feels deliberate, offering a level of accuracy that keeps you in command of the rally. From its sleek, modern design to its controlled touch and dependable power, this paddle truly does it all. While it may not deliver the highest pop on the market, its consistency and overall performance place it in a league of its own. With its current discounted price, the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta stands out as one of the best overall pickleball paddles available today. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Discover the perfect entry-level paddle for new and developing pickleball players with the Head Radical Elite. Designed for those catching pickleball fever, this wallet-friendly paddle delivers impressive performance and quality far above its price point. Whether you're stepping onto the court for the first time or playing casually with friends, the Radical Elite gives you the control and comfort needed to build confidence and sharpen your skills. The Radical Elite features a durable honeycomb core paired with a responsive fiberglass surface, offering a generous sweet spot and a wide hitting area to easily connect with every shot. Its comfortable foam handle, shaped similarly to a tennis racket grip, makes it a natural choice for beginners transitioning from tennis or players who prefer a familiar, cushioned feel in their hands. While this paddle leans more toward control than raw power, its lightweight construction helps you maneuver quickly during rallies, making it ideal for players learning placement, dinking, and consistency. You can absolutely compete with the Radical Elite, though advancing players may eventually desire a paddle with more pop as their technique evolves. What truly sets the Head Radical Elite apart is its value. Retailing around $70 yet performing more like a $100 paddle, it delivers outstanding bang for your buck. Its accessible price also makes it a perfect gift for players of any level. Beginners will love its forgiving feel, and seasoned players can keep it as a reliable backup. A budget-friendly paddle that doesn't compromise on quality, the Radical Elite is an easy choice for anyone entering the sport. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. For players who demand the absolute best, the Selkirk Power Air Epic stands as one of the most advanced paddles ever crafted. With a premium $250 price tag, this paddle is built for serious competitors who want cutting-edge performance, maximum power, and a sleek design trusted by top athletes on the PPA Tour. If you crave a paddle that elevates every aspect of your game, the Power Air Epic earns its epic reputation. The Epic's elongated shape and extended handle create a large, forgiving hitting surface while offering plenty of room for comfortable two-handed backhands. Selkirk's innovative aerodynamic throat and aerodynamic opening near the base reduces drag and boosts swing speed, giving your serves and drives extra whip and acceleration. This paddle is engineered from top to bottom to deliver explosive power without sacrificing control. What truly sets the Power Air Epic apart is its luxurious feel. In hand, it's the Ferrari of pickleball paddles, fast, lightweight, and crafted with premium details. The cushioned handle adds comfort during long matches, while the reinforced wrap near the base ensures a secure, confident grip. Thanks to its seamless surface and lack of harsh edges, even mishits near the perimeter produce surprisingly clean returns. Designed for advanced players, the Power Air Epic showcases Selkirk's most elite technology in a bold, modern frame. It's a statement paddle, sleek, powerful, and built for athletes who want nothing less than professional-grade performance. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. If you've watched professional pickleball on TV, chances are you've seen an Onix paddle in action, and the Graphite Z5 remains one of the brand's most iconic and trusted models. Designed for players who want superior ball control without spending a fortune, the Z5 delivers the premium feel of a graphite paddle at a price just under $100, making it one of the best value picks in the sport. The Z5's graphite face is lightweight yet incredibly strong, giving players the ability to guide shots with precision and finesse. Whether you're learning how to place dinks or mastering your volleys, the Z5 offers the responsiveness and touch that graphite paddles are known for. Its well-balanced construction feels natural in the hand, providing stability without sacrificing maneuverability. Inside, the Nomex honeycomb core helps reduce dead spots, ensuring consistent performance across the entire surface. The paddle's classic wide-body shape gives you a generous sweet spot and more surface area than you might expect, perfect for clean contact on fast rallies and tough returns. During serves, the Z5 truly shines, offering enough spin and speed to give you a competitive edge. With its powerful sweet spot, reliable build, and smooth performance, the Onix Graphite Z5 is a paddle that caters to all skill levels. Beginners will love its forgiving design and balanced feel, while experienced players will appreciate its quick handling and accuracy. Durable, lightweight, and tournament trusted, the Z5 is a paddle you won't need to replace anytime soon. Number 5. JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus 3S. Created in collaboration with Ben Johns, one of the most dominant players in PPA history with an astounding 123 career titles, the JOOLA Ben Johns Hyperion paddle delivers unmatched performance for players who want elite-level power and control. Engineered with enhanced stability and a charged carbon surface, this paddle offers incredible responsiveness. Its specialized bond-treated carbon face increases strength and stiffness, giving every shot a crisp, energetic feel and a noticeably poppier response off the paddle. At the heart of this model is JOOLA's groundbreaking propulsion core. This patent-pending technology is designed to deliver explosive power on every shot, whether you're hitting fast line drives, delicate drops, controlled dinks, or counterattacks at the kitchen. Paired with an elongated face, the paddle gives you a massive sweet spot and impressive reach, helping you generate higher spin with fewer mishits. A standout feature that sets the Hyperion apart is its integrated NFC chip. With data becoming a key part of player development, this chip unlocks personalized training videos, community features, and performance-driven gamification through the JOOLA Connect app. It's like having a digital coach built right into your paddle. From tech innovation to sheer on-court performance, this paddle is built for serious players who want every advantage. Blending stability, spin potential, and pro-grade power, the JOOLA Ben Johns Hyperion is truly the next level of pickleball equipment.